So child and family health and wellbeing and mental health evolved naturally in terms of its design. So we consulted with the local and regional community, with employers, with practitioners, to really start to get a sense of what mattered, what was missing, what was really important to them. And unsurprisingly, child and family health and wellbeing and mental health was absolutely at the heart of everything they wanted to commit to learn about, and to ensure and support in practice. So this is really a big kind of statement for us about wanting to support children and families, and the multiple dimensions of their lives and the complexities and the messiness. So a lot of what we talk about on this course is the messiness of family life, or the challenges, and how we can support children and families through that. But also, it was really important for us to ensure that there was a focus on happiness, joy, well-being. And so that's quite innovative. The ecological systems theory basically recognises all these concentric circles with the child or the young person or the parent in the middle. And surrounding that are all the contexts that influence their development and experience. And it's exactly the same with mental health for us. And it's why we've chosen, in quite an innovative way within this course, I'd say it's one of its strengths, and part of what makes it unique is we take a lifespan approach.
With this in mind, the course is really diverse and very, very interesting, and you'll be able to tap into that area of your interest. For instance, if it's older people and that's where you're working or you want to work, you could cater what you write about in relation to that. And that's the same with early years or young people or adults in general. So the brilliant thing is you'll be able to bring all your experience and all your knowledge into the classroom, and your peers will be able to learn from you regarding your practice and how valuable that will be.
This course is situated within the Centre for Lifelong Learning, which means that by its very nature, it is an accessible degree programme for all. It's about getting to know the person. So we're very interested in life experiences, what's brought you here, what challenges in kind of education have you perhaps overcome, or things where you didn't think you could and you did, and it worked. And equally, when things are really tough, how did you get through that? We want to know that stuff. It's about recognising that with your life experience comes a heck of a lot of your instinct, your determination, your willingness to study in higher education because you're so passionate about working with children and families. That's the stuff that makes this great. It's about us saying, actually, this isn't about you meeting our lofty expectations prior to entry. This is about us meeting your needs. This is about us being flexible to suit your approach to learning. And you'll see that in the design and assessment, for example, of our modules. They're very, very creative and innovative because we know that's what works.